Have you ever been told that cracking your knuckles will lead to arthritis? Surprisingly, this common warning is a myth. Scientific studies reveal that the popping sound comes from gas bubbles in the joints rather than damage. In fact, researchers found no correlation between knuckle cracking and any form of joint issues. Instead, it might just relieve tension, providing a sense of comfort. With so many misconceptions like this in our lives, it's crucial to question what we've always believed. So the next time you hear that crack, remember, it's not your knuckles screaming for help, it's science at work.